Welcome to Guide Guru. We hope this video helps.
Park the BMW 1 Series on a level surface with the parking brake engaged and put the car in gear or park. Disconnect the negative battery terminal to prevent ignition shocks and ECU faults. Allow the engine to cool for at least 30 minutes because hot components can burn you and warp threads. Gather tools: 10 mm socket for coil packs, 16 mm deep spark plug socket, 6-inch extension, ratchet, and a torque wrench calibrated to 25 Nm for final tightening. Remove the plastic engine cover by undoing the 2 to 4 clips or 10 mm bolts, exposing ignition coils and plug wells. Set cover hardware aside. Working one cylinder at a time, disconnect the coil electrical connector by depressing its tab, remove the 10 mm retaining bolt, and pull the coil straight up with a slight twist to free it. Insert a 16 mm deep spark plug socket on a 6-inch extension into the well. Turn counterclockwise to break the plug free, and lift the old plugs. Inspect each new spark plug and set the gap to 0. 8 mm 0. 0 32 inches if the plug is adjustable. Most OEM plugs come pre-gapped. Thread the new plug into the head by hand to ensure it seats without cross-threading, then use the 16 mm socket and torque wrench to tighten to 25 Nm. Reinstall the ignition coil, secure the 10 mm bolt, and reconnect the electrical connector. Repeat for each cylinder. Refit the engine cover, reconnect the negative battery terminal, start the engine, confirm a smooth idle, and clear any stored misfire codes if present.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.